Bonjour, bonjour, bienvenue. Aujourd'hui, nous allons faire des verbes du troisième groupe. Today, we are going to learn some verbs in the third group. First group, ER. Second group, IR. Third group, all irregular verbs. The verbs which do not follow any pattern in the conjugation. What is a pattern? ER group of verbs, what is the regular endings? E, ES, EE, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. IR group, second group, IS, IS, IT, IT, ISS, ONS, ISS, EZ, ISS, ENT, ISS, ENT. Third group, there is no such endings. Okay, there is no pattern. Every group, every verb follows its own conjugation. They do not have any particular pattern. So you may have to remember some 15-20 verbs. You will have to remember. You must memorize and remember. Understand? That's why they are called irregular verbs. They do not follow any pattern. So they are called irregular verbs. They all come under third group. They might end in ER, they might end in IR, they might end in RE, OER. Understand? These endings, but they do not follow any particular pattern. So they are called irregular verbs. The first irregular verb we are going to study is alle. Alle means to go. It's ending in ER, but you cannot say this is the stem. ALL is the stem. ER is the ending, and I can add EES. No. Alle does not follow the ER endings. Its conjugation is unique. Look at the conjugation. This is the alle conjugation. I have written the subject, je, tu, il, nous, il. Alle becomes VAIS for je, VAS for tu, va for il, va for al, allons, nous, allez, vous, ils vont. So the translation, I go, I am going, I do go. That's a regular translation. But the conjugation is completely different. It is not ALLE, ALLES, ALLE. No. You must learn and remember this conjugation. This is the first irregular verbs we come across. Je vais. Repeat the pronunciation. Je vais. Come on. Je vais. Tu vas. Tu vas. Il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, Z sound, okay? Nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, not vont, it is vont, ils vont, elles vont. Once again, je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. The translation I have told, it is the regular translation. 3 translations in affirmation. I go, I am going, I do go. Then how do you make it into negative? Negative easy. Add no here, add pa here. Na, pa. Okay. This is how you make negations. Na, pa. After the subject you add na. After the verb you add pa. So it becomes like this. Je ne vais pas. Je vais becomes je ne vais pas. Je ne vais pas. Repeat after me. Je ne vais pas. Tu ne vas pas. Il ne va pas. Elle ne va pas. Nous ne allons pas. E becomes E apostrophe. E becomes E apostrophe in front of A. Understand? So, nu nallompa, repeat. Nu nallompa, come on, repeat. Vu nallepa, il nu vompa, al nu vompa. Once again, je ne vais pas, tu ne vas pas, il ne va pas, elle ne va pas, nous n'allons pas, vous n'allez pas, ils ne vont pas, elles ne vont pas. Right, this is negative. What's the meaning? I do not go, I am not going. Regular, normal translation. As we did in ER regular, IR regular. That doesn't change. The translation and framing of negative and interrogative doesn't change. Only the conjugation. Only the conjugation. Now, how do you make it into interrogative? This is negative. How do you make interrogative? Same. Take the subject, keep it after the verb. Take the subject, keep it after the verb. You get interrogation. Except for je. Je, what do? You add est-ce que. Est-ce que je vais. Look. Est-ce que je vais. Don't write vais-je. Vais-je, no. Je alone, you write est-ce que. Remaining subjects, you can inverse. Write the subject after the verb, you get interrogation. Come on, repeat. Est-ce que je vais? Vas-tu? Va-t-il? Va-t-elle? Why this T is added? Because A and E, vowels. Okay. Vowels clashing, so T is added. And one more reason, pronunciation sake. Va-t-il? Va-t-elle? Allons-nous? Allez-vous? Won't-il? Won't-elle? Once again. Est-ce que je vais? Est-ce que je vais? Est-ce que je vais? Vas-tu? Va-t-il? Va-t-elle? Allons-nous? Allez-vous? Won't-il? Won't-elle? Meaning, do I go? Am I going? Do you go? Are you going? Does he go? Is he going? Does she go? Is she going? Do we go? Are we going? Do you go? Are you going? Do they go? Are they going? Same. Do they go? Are they going? Do they go? Are they going? Okay. The translation, everything is same. The construction of negative, affirmative construction is also same. Only the conjugation differs. So you must remember, you must memorize this conjugation. This is the first verb, first exception you have learnt. Some people classify this under first group itself. First group exception they say. Some French people, they classify this alle under third group. Anyway, we have seen this under third group, irregular verbs. All irregular verbs together in third pattern. Okay, third group. Right. With this we wind up this class, and tomorrow in the following classes we keep learning some exceptions, only exceptions. One verb in a day. One verb a day. Okay. So till then I bid you goodbye. Au revoir. À demain. Merci.